أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. به أستعين في جميع الأمور. اللهم إني أسألك أن تصلي على محمد النبي الأمي عبدك ورسولك وخيرتك من خلقك وعلى آل محمد الطيبين الأخيار، وأن ترحم محمدا وآل محمد، تبارك على محمد وآل محمد كما صليت وباركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed, climate smart, Rajabul Asab 2024 greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in economic upliftment of 2 billion mothers and 7 million engineers by enrolling them in US dollar 253 diploma in climate smart business with traction offered by Preston Institute of Management Science and Technology to earn 5,300 PGCs, US dollar 8,000 to enroll in Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction, to build their home in SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla-powered Saadah Towers, which Musk Foundation is building in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines of our planet. In Karachi, we have a 553 acres site in Dhabeji Wind Corridor, where we will be building our SAMS AMU Tesla campus and providing climate smart food to all living beings, of our planet, animals, organisms, and human beings. All will be enjoying climate smart feed and food to provide affordable climate smart milk and meat and vegetables and all food ingredients which will be utilized by the mothers to cook delicious, nutritious meals in our 724 restaurant. And healthcare professionals will be providing benchmark affordable healthcare services to SAMS TQLMA club members. And the healthcare centers will be linked with Safi Hospital, Mumbai, which we are building in all countries of our world. So everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of 53 PGCs, US dollar 80 of SAMS TQLMA Club High Technology Companies, and get the New Year gift of SAMS Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin, which we are making from Dore gold, provided by the president of Bridge Party, Mr. Muhammad Leon Kasule, from the mines of Africa. So everyone, all the mothers of Africa, all the mothers of basically 2 billion mothers can definitely benefit from this particular program and enjoy inflation-free total quality life. My WhatsApp number is 92-335-377-0052. A session like this can be scheduled to solve your individual, family, business, and personal problems with money-back guarantee. Our SAMS TQLMA Club is being represented by Mr. Amin Kanchwala in India, Mr. Hussain Muhammad Ali in Abu Dhabi, and Ambassador Goracha is representing our company in Kenya, and engineer Peter is engaged in also gold and diamond and commodity trading, and he's based in Nairobi. Our company is being represented in Sierra Leone by Mr. Gemologist David Chris. So basically, all these individuals will be helping us in meeting our objective of uplifting 8 billion residents of our planet. सारे खुश नसीब ख़वातीन हज़रात बच्चे जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा में बैतुल मक़दिस में करबला मोहल्ला में नजफ़ुल अशरफ में रहते हैं, हमारे हक़ में ख़ास दुआ करें कि हमारी ये उम्मीद के हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फ़रीज़ा अदा करने के साथ साथ उनको रिज़्क़ हलाल भी मुहैया करें। ये उम्मीद हमारी 2024 और 1446 के नए साल के अंदर पूरी हो। तो सारे लोग जो हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं वो बाकी लोगों को $8,000 का कर्दनस्ता मुहैया कर दें। कर्दनस्ता की वापसी जो है वो मस्क फाउंडेशन करेगा, और आप 100 शेयर्स के हमारी हाई टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी के मालिक बन जाएंगे, और इंशाअल्लाह ताला 1000 दिनों के अंदर आप हमारे टेस्ला पावर्ड फार्म हाउस के और ईसुजू ट्रक के मालिक बनेंगे इंशाअल्लाह ताला। तो ये पैगाम सब तक पहुंचाएं और सब लोगों को हमारे प्रोग्राम में शामिल करें। My basic education I've acquired from St. Paul's English High School. I did high school from Pakistan Ship Honors College, bachelor's in chemical engineering from Dawood Institute of Engineering and Technology, got master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, studied at Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and serving as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted to Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA with the objective of re-engineering the milk supply chain of Karachi into climate smart milk value chain. We are ready to delight all the cattle, buffaloes and cows of Pakistan by giving them climate smart home in our SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School Tesla powered Al Saadah towers, so they can enjoy good quality toxin free feed, and then provide the best quality milk and meat, which will be utilized, provided to all SAMS TQLMA Club members in Karachi, delivered to their home, and all the climate smart products will be available to them at their home, so that they can enjoy climate smart meals. My company is also providing, SAMS TQLMA Club is also providing with the book written by Mr. Raja Atiq, who is a faculty member of our SAMS Najam University, and his book will be included for all GEMBA and diploma students enrolling in our program. It's a wonderful book. Everybody should own one, and really all the knowledge provided in that book will be applied to become a millionaire in 53 months. So welcome aboard, and pass on this message to everyone. And let's make sure that 2024 is a peaceful year for all residents of our planet. शुक्रिया जज़ीला। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व बारिक वसल्लिम वरहम बतराम कमा सल्लैता व सल्लमता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद व आखिरु दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।